Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, this topic is too much important for all civil engineers, and the topic is IS codes, Indian Standard Codes for Civil Engineering. If you are a civil engineer and you don't know about the IS codes, you are not able to do any construction work in civil engineering like building, road, dam, airport, highway, etc. Because IS codes can give us more knowledge about our project in civil engineering. So every engineer should be learn these codes by heart. F, that is site supervisor, sub-engineer, site engineer, and design engineer. Okay, so it should be learn all these codes by heart, so it can use these codes for his project. Let's get started. What is IS code? So I've already told you that IS, Indian, S means standard codes for civil engineering. If you need the article about this video, okay, for reading article, you are able to visit my website www.civilstudents.com, where you can find more article about civil engineering. And don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more update civil engineering videos, and press the bell icon near with subscribe button to get notification about any video. Like and share, don't forget. And also visit one time to civilstudents.com, where you can find more article about civil engineering. Let's get started. So IS codes. So the given IS codes are used for civil engineering for the purpose of designing and analysis of civil engineering structure like building, road, dams, airport, highway, etc. Okay, so it can give us more knowledge about our construction works in civil engineering. So the first code, IS 456-2000. This code used for plain and reinforced concrete. Okay, so in this codes you know about the plain reinforced concrete, that what is the minimum depth of the depth of the beam, column, okay, and slab, okay, all about reinforced concrete, that what is the minimum concrete cover for the column, beam, footing, foundation, etc. Okay, and second one, IS 800-2000. So in this code you can learn general construction of steel, okay, all about general construction of steel you can learn, okay. And third one, IS 1200. So in this code, details about building measurement, okay, that what is the minimum length and the breadth of the room, that what is the height of the building, and what is the depth and the width of the window, okay, and also the height of the window. So all about building measurement, okay, in IS 1200. And fourth one, IS 875-1987. In this code you can learn it used for load, and in this codes we have 5 loads, okay. So in this IS 875-1987 you can know about all about the loads, okay. So there are 5 loads, okay, dead load, live load, wind load, snow load, and special load, okay. But the earthquake load is not in this code, okay. The earthquake load is in other code, okay, in other IS code, okay. So about dead load you can learn live load, wind load, snow load, special load in IS 875-1987, okay. And other one code we have a fifth, IS 1893-2000. So in this code you can learn the knowledge about earthquake resistance design of structure, okay. So other we have here sixth, okay, IS 4082. So in this code you can learn specification for the storage of material, okay, storage of material like brick, cement, steel, okay, etc. Those material which we are using in building construction work or other structure in civil engineering. So there are all the specification for the storage of material, okay. So you have to learn all these codes by heart, okay. If you are site engineer or any engineer in civil field, so you have to learn these codes, okay. Without these codes we can't do our work properly, okay. So IS 26-9, okay. So in this code, specification for 33 grade OPS, okay, ordinary Portland cement, okay. And IS 8112, specification of 43 grade OPS, okay. Another one, IS 1226-9, In this code, IS code, we can learn more knowledge about the specification for the 53 grade OPS. Okay, another one we have, so here is all knowledge about 33 grade cement. Okay, ordinary Portland cement, right? So other one we have 10 IS 3370. So concrete structure for the storage of liquid. Okay, those liquid which we are using in building construction or any structure in civil engineering, so their concrete structure liquid. Okay, that about the water and about the paint. Paint is also, but this is the concrete structure. Okay, so all about the liquid which we are using in concrete, like mixture. Okay, so more about the concrete structure. Yes. Okay, for the storage, that where we can store it and for how long we can use it. Okay, all about that. Okay, so IS 2062 specification for steel for the general purpose. Those steel which we are using for the general purpose. Okay, for this we can use the IS 2062. Okay, where you can learn all about general purpose for the steel for the general purpose. Okay, specification. And the last one 12. Okay, so this is not the last one. We have more codes in IS codes, but these are the too much important, so therefore I am discussing these codes with you. Okay, so there are more codes. So IS 4990. Okay, plywood for concrete shuttering. Okay, there what kind of plywood we have to use. Okay, you can know there, you can learn about the knowledge plywood for the concrete shuttering. Okay, that what is the minimum thickness for the plywood, and what kind of oil we can use for the shuttering, right? And what is the accurate length of the plywood. Okay, and what will be the thickness. Okay, all about the plywood we can learn in this code. Okay, IS 4990. So these codes are too much important for all civil engineers, and we have to learn. Okay, for these codes there are the specific books, pocket books, and also there are the soft copy about these codes. So you can search in internet and Google, so where you can find, and also there are more books, and these codes are IS codes. Keep in your mind. Okay, Indian standard codes for civil engineering. Okay, so this is the important topic for today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.